simultaneous equation. Next kind of word problems. We have to learn today the problems. Two numbers differ by 3. The sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19. Find the numbers. First, identify the which two parts in given problems. Then, two numbers differ by 3. This is the first part of the word problem. And the sum of the twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19. This is the second part. When two numbers differ by 3, याचा अर्थ असा आहे दोन संख्यातील फरक 3 आहे. The sum of the twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19. लहान संख्येची दुप्पट आणि मोठ्या संख्येची तिप्पट यांची बेरीज 19 येते, तर त्या संख्या शोधा. In simultaneous equation there are two variables, but here in this problem the greater number and smaller numbers compare, and their difference between them is the given 3. Hence we have to consider one number is a 53 and other number is a 50. Difference between there is the 3. When we have to consider the one number is a x, then other number we get x minus 3. Difference between them is the 3. We have to consider greater number be x. समजा दोन संख्या आहेत, त्या दोन संख्यामधील फरक हा 3 असेल, तर एक संख्या जर आपण कन्सिडर केली तर आपल्याला दुसरी संख्या काढता येते. We have to consider greater number be x, then smaller number x minus 3. Difference between them x minus 3. Therefore x minus x minus minus plus 3, then plus x minus x get 0 is equal to 3. Difference between these two numbers is a 3. Therefore greater number is a x, then smaller number we get x minus 3. Then first condition, two numbers differ by 3. And the sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19. Find these numbers. Then here twice of smaller number is x minus 3. There twice is a 2 in bracket x minus 3. And thrice the greater number will be x. Therefore is thrice the greater number is 3x and their sum is 19. Then we get this condition, 2 in bracket x minus 3 plus 3x is equal to 19. To multiply in a bracket x minus 3, then we get 2 into x is a 2x minus 2 3 is 6 plus 3x is equal to 19. Then 2x plus 3x are like terms, their sum is 5x. This minus 6 goes on this side, we get plus. Then 5x is equal to 19 plus 6 is equal to 25. Then x is equal to 25 by 5. Then we get x is equal to 5. Then x is a greater number. Therefore greater number is a 5 and smaller number is x minus 3 means 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Therefore these numbers are 5 and 2. समजला सर्वांना प्रॉब्लेम हा? राइट डाउन. The sum of two numbers is 8. If their sum is 4 times their difference, find the number. The sum of two numbers, we have to consider here two numbers for two variables x and y, and given condition to write the simultaneous equation. There are two parts in these problems. The first part is a sum of two numbers is 8, and second part, if their sum is 4 times their difference, then find the number. When you identify the two parts of the word problem, then we get solve problem easily. Then we have to consider two numbers are x and y. We have to consider two numbers x and y. Then first part, the sum of two numbers is 8. Then we get first equation. The sum of two numbers is 8. We have to consider two numbers x and y. Therefore, sum of two numbers is equal to 8. Then we get equation number 1. X plus y is equal to 8. Then the second part, if their sum is 4 times their difference, म्हणजे त्या दोन संख्येच्या बेरीज ही त्या दोन संख्येच्या फरकाच्या चौपट आहे असा याचा अर्थ आहे. सेकंड कंडिशन, हाऊ टू राईट द सम ऑफ इफ देअर सम इज, त्या दोन संख्येची बेरीज म्हणजे एक्स प्लस वाय, इफ देअर सम इज 4 टाइम्स देअर डिफरन्स, त्यांच्या फरक त्या फरकाच्या चौपट म्हणजेच एक्स प्लस वाय इज इक्वल टू 4 in bracket x minus y. Then we get this condition for the second part for word problem. X plus y is equal to 4 in bracket x minus y. 4 multiply in a bracket, then we get 4x minus 4y. Hence x plus y is equal to 4x minus 4y. Then rearrange this equation. First write 4x minus 4y is equal to x plus y. There is no change. Then plus x goes on this side, we get minus 4x minus x. Here is a minus 4y. Plus y goes on the LHS side, then we get minus, then is equal to 0. 4x minus x minus 4y minus y is equal to 0. 4x minus x is a 3x, and minus 4y minus y, then we get minus 5y is equal to 0, equation number 2. Then we get equation 1, x plus y is equal to 8, and equation number 2, 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. Observe the coefficient of y in a first equation and coefficient of y in a second equation. Then equating the coefficient of y. How to equate? Equation 1 multiple by 5. Equation 1 multiple by 5, equating the coefficient of y. 5 in bracket x plus y is equal to 8. 5 multiply each and every term. Then 5x plus 4y is equal to 5x are 40. Then you get equation number 3. From equation 2 and 3, equate the coefficient of y having opposite sign. Then adding equation 2 and 3, then you get value of x. Adding equation 2 and 3, then you get 3x minus 5y is equal to 0 plus 5x plus 5y is equal to 40. Minus 5y plus 5y get cancelled. Then we get 3x plus 5x is the 8x is equal to 40. 8 goes on this side, we get divide x is equal to 40 by 8. Then we get 8 5s are 40, x is equal to 5. Then substitute the value of x in equation 1 or 2. Then substitute x is equal to 5 in equation 1. Equation 1 is the x plus y is equal to 8. X is equal to 5 plus y is equal to 8. Plus 5 goes on the next side, then you get minus. Then y is equal to 3. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. These are These numbers are 5 and 3. Write down here. The sum of two numbers is 1000 and the difference between their square is 2,56,000. Find the numbers. First determine the two part of this problem. The sum of two numbers is 1000 and difference between their square is 2,56,000. Find the numbers. Here we have to consider first two numbers x and y. Let two numbers are x and y. We have to consider two number x and y. The first condition, the sum of two number is 1000. Then first condition x plus y is equal to 1000, then we get equation number 1. Second part of this problem is the difference between their square is 2,56,000. Then we can write difference between their square, त्यांच्या वर्गामधील वर्गाचा फरक किंवा वजाबाकी ही 2,56,000 आहे. We can write x square minus y square is equal to 2,56,000. By using the expansion, x square minus y square is equal to, in first bracket x minus y and second bracket x plus y. By using this expansion formula, we can write x square minus y square is write as x minus y into x plus y is equal to 2,56,000. From equation 1, the value x plus y is the given, x plus y is equal to 1000 by using equation 1. From equation 1, then we get x minus y into 1000 is equal to 2,56,000. Then 1000 goes on the next side, then we get divide x minus y is equal to 2,56,000 divided by 1000. Then 30 at numerator and denominator get cancelled. Then we get x minus y is equal to 256 is the second equation. From equation 1 and 2, observe the coefficient of plus y and minus y. Then we get two equation, adding equation 1 and 2, then we get the value of x and y. Write down here. इथपर्यंत सर्वांनी लिहून घ्या. This value of x is equal to 628. Put in equation 1 or 2. Then we get, substitute x is equal to 628 in equation 1. Then x plus y is equal to 1000. X is equal to 628 goes on the next side, we get minus, and 1000 minus 628 is their subtraction is 372. This is the value of y. These are the two numbers 628 and 372. Write down. सर्वांनी लिहून घ्या. Our next problem. Two numbers are in the ratio 5 as 6. If 8 is subtracted from each of the numbers, the ratio becomes 4 as 5. Then find their number. Same way to identify the two parts of this problem. First part is that two numbers are in the ratio 5 as 6. This is the first part. And second part, if 8 is subtracted from each of the number, the ratio become 4 as 5. Then find the numbers. First, we have to consider two numbers are x and y. Let two numbers are x and y. The first condition, two numbers are in the ratio 5 as 6. Here ratio numbers are x and y. X as y is equal to 5 as 6. Here cross multiplication, then we get equation 6 multiplied to x and 5 multiplied to y. 6 into x is a 6x is equal to y into 5 is equal to 5y. 5y goes on the LHS side, then we get minus 6x minus 5y is equal to 0. This is the first equation. Similarly, second part of this problem, if 8 is subtracted from each of the number, the ratio becomes 4 as 5. म्हणजे प्रत्येक संख्येतून जर 8 वजा केले तर येणाऱ्या संख्येचे गुणोत्तर 4 जसे 5 येते. If 8 is subtracted from each, x minus 8 and y minus 8 is equal to, ratio become 4 as 5. This x minus 8 by y minus 8 is equal to 4 upon 5. म्हणजे एक संख्येतून 8 वजा केले आणि y संख्येतून 8 वजा केले तेव्हा येणारे गुणोत्तर हे 4 जसे 5 आहे. 5 multiply x minus 8 and 4 multiply to y minus 8. Then 5 into x is a 5x minus 5 into 8 is a 40 is equal to 4 into y is a 4y minus 4 minus 8 into minus 32. Then variable term take one side, 5x, this plus 4y goes on this side, we get minus 5x minus 4y. And RHS side, this is a minus 32 plus 40. This minus 40 goes on the next side, then we get plus. Hence 5x minus 4y minus 32 plus 40 is the 8. Then we get second equation, 5x minus 4y is equal to 8. And first equation, 6x minus 5y. Equating any one coefficient x or y. From equation 1 and 2, equating the coefficient of y. समीकरण 1 आणि 2 मध्ये तुम्ही x चा आणि y चा दोघांपैकी एकाचा सहगुणक समान करू शकता. आपण y चा सहगुणक समान करूया. ठीक आहे, इथपर्यंत सर्वांनी लिहून घ्या. द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y in equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 multiple by 4, then we get 4 multiply in bracket 6x minus 5y is equal to 0. 4 6 are 24x minus 4 5 are 20y is equal to 0. Equation number 3. Similarly, equation 2 multiple by 5. 5 multiply 5x minus 4y is equal to 8. 5 5 are 25x minus 5 multiply 4y is equal to minus 40y is equal to 40. Equation number 4. Observe the coefficient of y in equation 3 and equation 4 having same coefficient and same sign. Therefore, same sign, subtract equation 3 and 4. Then we get 25x minus 20y is equal to 40 minus 24x minus 20y is equal to 0. When one equation subtract from other equation, then negative multiplied to plus and negative sign remain changed. Minus 40x minus minus plus is equal to minus. Then minus 20y plus 20y get cancelled. 25x minus 24x is equal to x and 40 minus 0 is a 40. Therefore, we get the value of variable x is equal to 40. Substitute the value of x is equal to 40 in equation 1. Equation 1 is 6x minus 5y is equal to 0. 6 multiply 40 minus 5y is equal to 0. Here 6 4s are 240 minus 5y goes on the next side, then we get plus 5y is equal to 240, then y is equal to 240 by 8. 5 divided to 240, then we get 48. Hence, the value of variable y is equal to 48. Hence, we have to consider two numbers x and y. These numbers are 40 and 48. Write down here. We have to learn one more problems. The sum of two numbers is 16 and the sum of their reciprocal is 1 by 3. Find numbers. Here there are two parts of this problem. The sum of two number is 16, this is the one part, and second part is the sum of their reciprocal is 1 by 3. First we have to consider the two numbers are x and y. Here two numbers are x and y. The first condition, the sum of two number is 16. We can write x plus y is equal to 16, equation number 1. And reciprocal, first you understand the reciprocal. Therefore, given number is of 4, their reciprocal is 1 upon 4. Therefore, given number is a x, what is the reciprocal of x? 1 upon x. And what is the reciprocal of y? Good, 1 upon y. Then write the second condition. The sum of their reciprocal is 1 by 3. We can write this 1 upon x plus 1 upon y is equal to 1 by 3. On the LHS side, cross multiplication here, we get x into y, x into 1, x plus y into 1, y, divided by x into y is the xy is equal to 1 upon 3. From equation 1, the value of x plus y is equal to 16. आपण समीकरण 1 वरून x plus y ची किंमत at numerator ला ठेवू शकतो, x plus y is equal to 16. Why in this problem we cannot substitute the 1 upon x is equal to other variable? इथे आपण पहिल्या समीकरणात x plus y is equal to 16 आहे. दुसऱ्या समीकरणामध्ये 1 upon x plus 1 upon y is equal to 1 upon 3 आहे. दुसऱ्या समीकरणामध्ये 1 upon x plus 1 upon y. डिनॉमिनेटरला पहिल्या समीकरणात x y नसल्यामुळं आपण 1 upon x ची किंमत ठेवू शकत नाहीत किंवा 1 upon y ची किंमत ठेवू शकत नाही. त्यासाठी आपण या ठिकाणी क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन केलेलं आहे. आपले इक्वेशन मिळेल x plus y upon xy is equal to 1 upon 3. From equation 1, put the value x plus y is equal to 16 at this numerator. Then we get 16 upon x plus y is equal to 1 by 3. Here also multiply xy into 1, xy is equal to 16 into 3 is the 48. Xy is equal to 48. Here two variable in a multiplication. One variable goes on the next side, then we get value of x in term of y. Then we get this is the second equation, x is equal to 48 upon y. इथे पहा एक्स वाय ही दोन्ही चले गुणाकार रूपामध्ये आहेत. आपण x ची किंमत y च्या स्वरूपामध्ये लिहू शकतो. जर हा y जर पुढे घेतला तर तो डिवाइड होईल, x is equal to 48 upon y. आणि मग ही x ची किंमत समीकरण जर 1 मध्ये ठेवली तर आपला येणारं समीकरण एक चलामध्ये y च्या स्वरूपामध्ये मिळेल आणि पुढे आपण ते सॉल्व करू शकतो. ठीक आहे, इथपर्यंत सर्वांना समजलंय का? हा लिहू. Substitute x is equal to 48 by y in equation 1. आपण x ची किंमत समीकरण 1 मध्ये ठेवूया. x plus y is equal to 16. This is the equation number 1. Substitute x is equal to 48 by y. 48 by y plus y is equal to 16. Here denominator of y is always 1. Cross multiplication here, their sum 1 into 48, 48 plus this y into y, y square divided by y into 1 is the y is equal to 16. This y goes on this side, RHS side, then we get multiply. 48 plus y square is equal to 16y. We can rearrange this equation. Y square, first write the y square, plus 16y goes on the next side, then we get minus. Here plus 48 is equal to 0. Which type of this equation? Y square minus 16y plus 48. कोणत्या प्रकारचं हे समीकरण आहे? It is a quadratic equation. हे वर्ग समीकरण आहे. How to solve the quadratic equation to find the factor y square minus 16y plus 48. Here y square is a square term, minus 16y is a middle term, and 48 is a constant term. To find the factor of 48 in this way, product is plus 48 and their sum or difference is minus 16y. प्लस 48 चे असे अवयव पाडायचे आहेत ज्यांचा गुणाकार प्लस 48 येणार आहे, परंतु त्या अवयवांची बेरीज किंवा वजाबाकी मायनस 16y आली पाहिजे. मग 48 चे आपण असे अवयव पाडले -12 आणि -4. -12 into -4 is the plus 48 product, and their sum -12 -4 is equal to -16 is the middle terms. Therefore -16y split into -12y minus 4y, then we get y square minus 12y minus 4y plus 48. Here there are two parts, y square minus 12y and minus 4y plus 48. Take common. From y square minus 12y, y take common, y in bracket y minus 12. Minus 4y plus 48 take common, 4 minus 4, then we get y minus plus minus is at 12 is equal to 0. These two brackets are equal, y minus 12, y minus 12. Take common y minus 12, the remaining bracket contain this y and minus 4, y minus 4 is equal to 0. When two number of product is 0, at least one becomes 0. We can write y minus 12 is equal to 0 and y minus 4 is equal to 0. Then we get y is equal to 12 and y is equal to 4. The value of y, there are two numbers, 12 or 4. y च्या दोन किमती मिळाल्या आहेत, त्या आपल्याला दोन पद्धतीने पुढे ठेवायच्या आहेत. इथपर्यंत सर्वांना समजलंय? ठीक आहे, लिहून घ्या. y is equal to 12 and y is equal to 4. If y is equal to 12, then we get dx is equal to 48 upon y. Put the value of y in this equation, x is equal to 48 upon y. If y is equal to 12, then we get x is equal to 48 upon y. 48 upon 12 is equal to 4. And when if we put y is equal to 4, there are two value of y. Then x is equal to 48 upon 4 is equal to 12. Then these numbers are 12 and 4 or 4 and 12. When first number is 12, then you get second number is 4. When you consider first number is a 4, then you get second number is a 12. In this way, these numbers are 12 and 4 or 4 and 12. Write down next part. द्यायचा का होमवर्क? या होमवर्क आजचा. First problem. Two positive number differ by 3 and their product is 54. Find the number. तुम्हाला इथं हिंट दिलेली पहा, पूर्ण हिंट या ठिकाणी दिलेली आहे. जसं आपण आत्ताचा प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व केला होता त्याच पद्धतीने आहे. टू पॉझिटिव्ह नंबर डिफर बाय 3 म्हणजे x मायनस y इज इक्वल टू 3 आणि दिअर प्रोडक्ट इज 54 म्हणजे x इंटू y इज इक्वल टू 54. मग x ची किंमत y च्या स्वरूपामध्ये 54 बाय y, ही x ची किंमत समीकरण 1 मध्ये ठेवा, तुम्हाला एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन तयार होईल. त्याचे फॅक्टर पाडा, तुम्हाला y ची किंमत मिळेल अशा पद्धतीने. सेकंड, two numbers are in the ratio 3 as 4. If 8 is added to each number, then become in the ratio 4 as 5. Find the numbers. अशाही प्रकारचा आपण एक प्रॉब्लेम पाहिलेला आहे पाठीमागे, त्या पद्धतीने सोडवा. आणि थर्ड प्रॉब्लेम आहे, the sum of two number is 15 and sum of their reciprocal is 3/10, find the numbers. अशाही प्रकारचा आपण प्रॉब्लेम घेतलेला आहे. हे तीनही प्रॉब्लेम उद्या सॉल्व करा आणि संध्याकाळपर्यंत सॉल्व करा आणि मला ग्रुपवर पाठवून द्या. ठीक आहे. तसं मी होमवर्कचं पेज ग्रुपला शेअर करणारच आहे. सर्वांनी चांगल्या हस्ताक्षरामध्ये होमवर्क संध्याकाळपर्यंत सोडवा आणि ग्रुपवरती शेअर करा. शेअर करताना पेजवरती तुमचं नाव टाका वरच्या बाजूला. पेज नंबर टाका. पेज नाही, त्याच वहीतल्या ना, जी कंटिन्यू वही आहे ना त्याच वहीमध्ये लिहा. आणि क्लास चालू असताना रफ वही म्हणायचंच नाही. आपली सेपरेट मॅथमॅटिक्स पार्ट फर्स्टसाठी सेपरेट वही असणार आहे, मॅथमॅटिक्स पार्ट सेकंडसाठी सेपरेट वही असणार आहे. तीच वही तुम्ही कंटिन्यू ठेवायची, त्या वहीमध्ये दुसरं काही लिहायचं नाही. ओके. आजचा हा भाग सर्वांना समजलेला आहे.